Mr. Golden, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to create your program for your Pine box using a program called Corel Draw. So the first thing I want you to do is click on the Pine box engraving template on the desktop. You can see there I clicked on that. Corel Draw is a program that we use to design what we want to use the laser engraver to and how we want it to burn and what we want on our project. As you can see here, the program opens up, and if it's a gray screen, it didn't open up properly, and that happens most of the time. So you can go to Open, Desktop, and there you can see the Pine box engraving template. I'm going to click on that template, and there is the template. Now here you see a few things. This is the 12 by 24 printing surface that the machine has the capability to print. Okay. The outside border line is the size of your project that we're putting in here at the time, and the inside border line represents your printing area. Okay. Now you can do a picture or you can do words. Okay. So I'm just going to do a picture, and I'm going to do a picture of the Steelers logo. So I'm going to click on the Dallas logo, and I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to minimize Corel Draw. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. Here it may be instructing you to put your password in. And I'm going to search for a Steelers emblem because I like the Steelers and I want to put that on front of my box. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find an emblem I like. I'm going to view that image. I'm going to right click and go to copy image. I'm going to open up my Corel Draw, and I'm going to paste this image into here. Right. Now the image is bigger than where I need it, and that's good. You always want to try to shrink down your image to fit into your printable area because you're going to get a better results. It's not going to be as pixelated or distorted. So once I have this to the size that I would like it, I'm going to go ahead and shift it around using my arrow keys on my keyboard to go up and down, left and right, to center this image into the top of my into my printable area right here in this light blue dashed marks. Let's say that I want to put a text. Okay. Well, all I have to do is click on the text tool here. I can make a box, and in here I could type in I'm going to put in my son's name. Okay, Hudson. So here I can go ahead and enlarge this however big I want. I can use any font that I want. Okay, let's go a little bit bigger. Okay, now that exceeded, so there it is. I can then go ahead and use my pointer tool. I could click on this, and I could move this, and I could center this up into my box. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and center this right there, and I'm going to delete the Steelers emblem because I think I want to do one for my son here. So Hudson, and I can see that that's pretty centered from here to here, from here to here. Maybe I'm going to move it over just a hair. Okay, now it's time to save this, and this is the crucial part. You need to go to File, and there's two options. Save, there's three options. Save, Save As, and Save As Template. I want you to save as. Okay, I do not want you to hit save because you're going to save over top of my template. So hit Save As, go into 2013-2014 school year. You're going to go into your Intro to Prototyping class, so it's probably either period 1 or period 3. And in here you're going to type in Pine box. In the file name you're going to type in Pine box and then your last name. This way if you mess up, you can go back in, you already have it saved, and you can print your new piece. Okay, so now it's already saved in. Okay, this is how you save and design your project. Okay, and I'm going to show you here in another video how you to print it, and then I'll show you in another one how to physically use the laser engraver to print your image on your material.